You can prepare me for an event in a few easy steps. I can speak if you choose what to say. Just follow these easy steps. You can't hear me well. Increase my volume through information panel. I can help you guide people, just add the move. For example, this. Use my screen to show any presentation you want. You can add it like this. Let's check it out. This is the first slide of your custom-made presentation. I can talk and move while displaying images. Play your presentation in just one click on Command Desk. You can see how easy it is to get me ready. Now try it yourself.